Good morning. Something unusual seems to be happening here. There's a buzz in the air, everyone is busy, moving with purpose. It feels like something significant is about to unfold. Let's move in closer and uncover what's really going on. Oh, now we see. This is the famous Roti with Palas Kari giveaway, a heartfelt community event organized by the Javaya Api Youth Foundation. What a wonderful initiative. Everyone here is working with such joy, smiling faces light up the scene. It's heartwarming to see how they've set aside their busy routines, even just for a while, to come together in unity. Laughter echoes through the air, hands move with purpose, and the aroma of freshly made roti fills the surroundings. This isn't just a food giveaway, it's a celebration of compassion, culture, and community spirit, led by the passionate youth of the Javaya Api Foundation. Moments like this remind us of the power of togetherness. Some may not be directly involved in the work, but their presence brings incredible motivation to the youth. Their silent support, warm encouragement, and heartfelt smiles are just as powerful, fueling the spirit of those taking the lead. Meanwhile, in another corner of this vibrant gathering, something equally important is taking place. A group of dedicated youth are carefully preparing eco-friendly plates using the leaves of a medicinal plant known locally as Arattha. It's a beautiful blend of tradition, sustainability, and innovation, led by young hands with thoughtful hearts. From beginning to end, these young hearts have sacrificed their time, energy, even moments with their families, all to offer a warm, nourishing meal to people they've never even met. This is the true joy of giving. This is the happiness found in selflessness. It reflects the deep-rooted values of Sri Lankan culture, our pride, our compassion, and our unwavering spirit. This is the reality of Sri Lankans. This is our proud heritage. And this is the paradise in my eyes. Before sharing their lovingly prepared meals with others, they first offer a portion to Lord Buddha, a gesture of deep reverence and gratitude, honoring the timeless traditions of this land. All the invited guests have now arrived. The moment has come. It's time to officially begin the ceremony. As per Sri Lankan tradition, the venerable monks begin the Dharma exhortation, offering blessings and well wishes to the youth of the foundation. With reverence and unity, everyone present joins in this meaningful ceremony. After the Dharma exhortation, the venerable monks, along with other distinguished guests, delivered heartfelt speeches expressing gratitude to the youth for their dedication and encouraging them to carry on their noble work with the same passion and commitment. This is the moment to light the traditional Lampa symbol of blessing, purity, and new beginnings. All the guests take part in this cherished ritual, adding their light to the spirit of the occasion. Now, it is time to offer food to the venerable monks, following the time-honored traditions of Sri Lanka, an act of deep respect, devotion, and generosity. Now, it is time to serve food to the invited guests, a moment filled with warmth, hospitality, and the joy of sharing. While the guests enjoy their meals, the organizers continue their work carefully preparing and arranging food to be offered to everyone. Now, it is time to offer food to everyone without distinction of religion, status, nationality, or origin. Here, all who gather are equal. The only purpose is to give wholeheartedly, to bring joy, to refresh their spirits, and to ease their weariness. Here, there are no borders, no barriers of nationality or religion. Everyone is welcome to share in this simple act of kindness, a warm meal given freely, reminding us all of our shared humanity and the true spirit of compassion.
Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Simon Mackenzie. I'm here in Sri Lanka for 7 days. I come from Germany and I'm here with this wonderful tour guide who takes me around the island, showing me different places. We started off in Negombo, we're going out to Kandy and Kandy soon. And yeah, we saw this place here, seeing how generous the people are, sharing this food. Really good people here, good place, delicious food, even though for me sometimes spicy, but I get used to it and I really like the food. So yeah, thank you for giving us the opportunity to explore in this country. Thank you.
This is not just about offering food. It's about sharing happiness, spreading love, and embracing our rich heritage with the world. Through these simple acts, we connect hearts and celebrate the true spirit of giving.
we really enjoying our holiday and stay here. And the good about here is that the climate is good for us. Not as hot as in the other sides of Sri Lanka. Beautiful nature, and we like it. So thank you.
Truly, this is a beautiful sight, foreigners joining hands with Sri Lankan youth, carrying forward this work with love and unity. Together, they share a common purpose and a spirit of compassion that transcends all boundaries. Truly, this is a beautiful sight, foreigners joining hands with Sri Lankan youth, carrying forward this work with love and unity. Together, they share a common purpose and a spirit of compassion that transcends all boundaries. Giving to others runs in our bloodline. This little boy, offering fruits as best as he can, is a tender bud of our future, nurturing the spirit of kindness for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey. If you enjoyed this story of compassion and community, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartfelt moments from Sri Lanka and beyond. Until next time, keep spreading kindness, because together, we make the world a better place.